friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an interesting video. So I think you will like my video, and to get more interesting video, please do like, share and hit the subscribe button. So today I am gonna to share with you how to make the espresso martini in Starbucks Reserve. So let's go, let's start the video.
I'm going to add the grounds and I'm just going to gently press them in, but I'm not going to stir them in all the way yet because we're going to allow them to bloom. And that's so that the gases can escape out of the coffee instead of getting sucked out of it. But I'm going to get on my tippy toes so I can see. So I try to do this within 15 seconds so that my unit stays in order. It's only a 90-second brew period. And half of that is going to be this one. So when I first get it in there, you'll notice it kind of foams up and then it disappears. And you see more of that foam kind of is created. So anytime you agitate coffee or like you're making a hand pour over, you can use that as a guide for where to pour. So that's kind of a signal that part is not extracted. Well, a little bit backwards. I love this section, both because you can tell the difference between the different stages, but also just because it looks like an espresso shot. And who doesn't love that? It's break time.
Wow.
Wow. And so the bamboo filter plus that heat and pressure, it lends itself to a very light body coffee.
It was convincing, so. First time in the US.
But have you ever had a French press? So I always like to pull it out. And just like the French press, we stir the coffee all the way in. I do a lot of those covers. But the filter, this is a metal filter, so it's hardly a filter at all. It just keeps out the big pieces. But this filter is going to absorb so much, so it makes it a little bit lighter on your mouth, and I find it a little bit easier on my belly. And then another indicator of that pressure is that I can take this and I can flip this upside down and it's not going to go anywhere. I'm not afraid. One day it'll fall on me and well, that'll be the luck. And then when I break it open, you can see that it really did pull through all of that water, like any little bit of coffee. I know you saw one earlier, but it's nice to get a little aroma in there too.
Yesterday we went home.
That was from Costa Rica. And this is and be very careful, it's really hot. Typically, so I'd give it a little second to cool off as well. Then gravity is going to allow that coffee to go back down.
And that's how it gets filtered?
Yep, and it goes through the filter. And then I get a few stirrers as it falls. Same thing over here. I like to get ready. Our recipe technically says to store it 4 times at the end, but I always I should experiment.
You keep it real.
Because it might be how agitated it is. And so right now, it's gently falling. Like I said, gravity is a part of this. But on this side, you're seeing these bubbles starting to form. That's just a case of that vacuum.